Our tyres have a hard job to do, with different road surfaces and twists and turns, and an incorrect pressure in them reduces their ability to cope, as well as reducing fuel efficiency. So here's how to get your tyres to the right pressure.
Where do you find the correct pressures needed for each tyre? Sometimes you'll find a plate inside where a door shuts. Sometimes they are marked inside the fuel filler cap. But you will always find the pressures in your car manual.
The same model of car can have different types of tyres fitted, so make sure you have the right pressure for the type of tyres you have.
The front tyres often need a different pressure from the rear tyres. Also, there are usually two pressures given, for light loads and heavy loads. Pressures will be marked in both bar or PSI values.
You can use a gauge and pump at your local garage, or you can buy your own and use it at home. However, don't test your tyres when they're warm after a long journey, or your readings will be wrong.
Apply the handbrake and switch the engine off. Set the machine to the recommended tyre pressure for the front tyres. Unscrew the valve caps and firmly attach the air pressure gauge or pump to the valve. You'll hear a hiss and the machine then displays the current pressure before pumping in air to the tyre, or taking it out if it was overinflated before.
And if you have a spare tyre, don't forget to check the pressure on this one. You never know when you might need it. At Gem Motoring Assist, we're here for you no matter what, but taking regular checks on your car may prevent you needing to call for assistance.
Thanks for watching. For award-winning breakdown cover, visit motoringassist.com.